Hello everyone. Let's talk about server memory. Specifically, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR5 kit. This kit is designed as a drop-in upgrade, especially for servers like the Dell PowerEdge R660XS. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing high-quality memory solutions, and this DDR5 kit seems to follow that philosophy. It comes as a 4x16GB configuration, running at a speedy 4,800 MHz. That PC5-38400 spec means it can handle a lot of data throughput, which is crucial for demanding server applications. The 1RX8 configuration is also worth noting, as it can impact performance depending on your server's architecture. The fact that it's ECC RDIMM register memory is a big deal for servers. ECC, or error correcting code, helps prevent data corruption, which is essential for maintaining stability and preventing crashes. The registered part means there's a register between the memory controller and the DRAM chips, which helps improve signal integrity and allows for higher memory capacities. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, and most users should be able to handle it themselves with a little care and reference to their server's manual. NEMIX RAM backs their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality of their memory. Plus, they offer IT support, which would be a lifesaver if you run into any compatibility or installation issues. If you're looking to boost the performance and reliability of your Dell PowerEdge R660XS or another compatible server, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR5 kit is definitely worth considering. The combination of speed, error correction, and a solid warranty makes it a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.